If you're looking for a waterproofing foundation or crawl space repair company in the Charlotte area, you may have run across a few names in your search. Hi, Corey Parks here, owner of HydroHelp911. We know it can be overwhelming when searching for a dependable, reputable company to work on your home. That's why we wanted to show you a comparison between HydroHelp911 and one of our competitors, Cantey Foundation Specialist. Why compare ourselves to a competitor? Well, we pride ourselves on being open and transparent with our services and pricing, and we want our customers to be as informed as possible when making a decision about their home. We're also not scared of a little competition, and we want you to feel confident with the company you choose for your foundation, crawl space, and basement repair needs. So let's compare. Cantey Foundation Specialist was opened in the Charlotte location in 2021 as one of 4 locations across South Carolina and Georgia. They are based out of Camden, South Carolina, and owned by William Cantey. They are affiliated with the Support Works and Basement Systems networks. They are A+ rated and accredited by the Better Business Bureau and have 17 Google reviews in the Charlotte location with an average of 4.7. Cantey Foundation Specialist specializes in residential and commercial foundation repair, concrete lifting, crawl space repair and encapsulation, basement repair and waterproofing, and gutter installation. HydroHelp911 was founded in 2017 by myself. We are fully licensed and insured and based just outside of Charlotte in Dallas, North Carolina. We are a small business and have less than 20 hard-working employees. We are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau and have a 5-star rating on Google with almost 130 reviews, as well as a host of other Facebook, Angie's List, and Home Advisor reviews. We provide services for crawl space repair, encapsulation, basement waterproofing, both interior and exterior, and foundation repair, as well as masonry and structural support repairs. We provide custom solutions, and each repair is customized to your home's specific needs. You can find more information on our website, or if you'd like, schedule a complimentary consultation. Feel free to call us at 704-813-9554. Y'all have a good day.